I know that fasting take me to the deeper depth in God. And God, I'm doing what you told me to do. But what's going on?
What's going on, Lord?
Tell somebody, say, what's going on?
What's going on?
Look at somebody, say, what's going on?
What's going on?
I know this feeling. I know that there have been times I got up to speak. And that's like some of us as ministers that get up to speak. Look at the people's faces. That's why I'm so glad that God told the prophet, stop looking at the people's faces. Because it's me that's moving. It's me that's speaking. And we got to get to the place I don't see nobody but God.
Amen.
Oh, y'all hear what I'm saying? So we must understand, we must come to a place that we got to stay focused. Don't somebody say stay focused.
Stay focused.
And stay focused on God, because why? It's the enemy that's trying to get you distracted from where God is trying to take you. Oh, y'all hear me today? And number 4, we exaggerate our problems when we're heading for a burnout. Amen. Tell somebody, stop exaggerating.
Stop exaggerating.
Speak what God spake and leave it alone. A lot of times we get caught up moving in areas that we have no business moving in. And we exaggerate what we're going through. So we must understand we overemphasize what's wrong in our lives. And we ignore God's blessings in our lives. That's why I say a lot of times we sit back and analyze. Amen. What's going on? But God said, listen, I brought you out of this. When you couldn't pay your rent, when you couldn't pay your mortgage, I paid it. Amen. I gave money to you. I made ways for you. But yet and still you don't see my power.